G'day, Peter from Window Cleaning World here. Today I'd like to introduce the Wagtail HighFlyer. It's probably my favourite tool, hand tool. It mops and squeegees in one go. So the mop sits flat on the glass, so it delivers all its water in one go, and then it's quite light after it's dumped its water on the glass. So you're soaping up, and then you can instantly, with a flick, or you can use your hand, but just a flick, you're in squeegee mode. And it works really beautifully on a pole. And so right now it's in squeegee mode. It's quite easy to just nudge it back into mopping mode. And the lights might be shining in our face a bit here. A little flick, and I'm in squeegee mode. And so I can actually, with the pole, do that same professional style S-stroke, which will give you a streak-free finish. And then once it's down at about eye level, I prefer to have it in my hand to then just finish off. There we go. The HighFlyer comes in different sizes, 12 7-inch, which is about 15 centimeters roughly, a 30 centimeter version, the 12-inch. This is a 14-inch, 35 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 45 centimeters, which is the 18-inch, which will fit in our larger style buckets. This bucket here is more sort of a domestic style bucket, which will fit the 14-inch tool quite nicely. So lightning fast, I can soap up this entire panel with ease, which is quite a large panel, with one dunking. In fact, I could probably do all three of these. I'm starting to run a little bit low on water now. One flick, and I'm in squeegee mode. Take it in my hand, finish off like this. It's a fantastic tool. And when you're finishing off, unlike with the flippers, there's no pad that gets in the way. So if there were a frame here, I can just quite easily just finish off. There's nothing in the way of the squeegee anymore. And a very deep frame can be accommodated, as deep as, or wider than my hand actually, where I can just come down and finish off. The Wagtail HighFlyer.